In the past, it was possible to constrain the rotation behavior by holding down the Alt key and using the right mouse button to rotate. For some, this constrained rotation is preferred, so we've made a new option under your account settings, Preferences, to set default rotation to constrained rotate. This means for those that prefer this style of rotation, you can now make that a default. You can now define a curve pattern by the distance between instances. In the curve pattern dialog, select the new option for distance and type in a value. In the past, if you wanted to hide explode lines, it had to be done one explode step at a time. With this update, we've added a new Hide and Show All Explode Lines option when right-clicking an exploded view in the Exploded Views panel. With this update, you can now save drafts of your release candidates. This can be particularly useful for large release candidates that take some time to fill out. Saved release candidate drafts can be edited again by selecting them from the new Release Drafts flyout.
Thanks for watching. Click the logo to subscribe or see some of our other videos linked here.